How to make 3D photos or how to post 3D photos on Facebook. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload 3D photos on Facebook. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to make sure to update your Facebook from Play Store or App Store. After updating your Facebook app, let me just get inside this Facebook. This is my official Facebook account. So what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. Just click on the 3 days and go to your profile here, and then scroll down here. After scrolling down here, this type of interface will pop up. Post interface, simply tap here, and then here what you need to do, I'm going to show you. Just you need to click on photo and video, second option. Simply tap here, and then you have to select one profile, one picture, and then here this is the picture, and here you can see edit and 3D make 3D. So here you have to click on make 3D, simply tap here, and then here you can see my photo has been made into 3D. So what you need to do, just click on post, and then you can just say something. So in this way you can upload 3D photos. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.